why do I need a schema? I made this Python function, right? But I had to put it into a schema. This is really important. So if you're not paying attention here, I really encourage you to do so now. And also, if you have laptops, please close them. But I defined a Python function, and I want my LLM to be able to use it. Why do I have to define a schema? Anyone? Half answers allowed. Awesome. What's your name? Safir? Oh, you're kind of close. You said, so he said consistency, because you just want the same format each time. I don't know, I'm not like fully satisfied with that answer. Yes. What's your name?
Odelia.
Odelia? Yes.
Is it because the LLM can't really tell what queries are necessarily asking to call from a specific function?
The LLM can't tell which queries are asking to call upon a specific function. I don't think that's fully right, to be honest. But yes, I'll explain why in a second. But yes, try it. Let's go.
It explains how to actually use the function.
Yes, it does. So, what do LLMs do? Like, who can tell me what LLM stands for? Let's go. Large language model, right? It's not a large method function. It just spits out language. So, for it to use tools, my program is dumb. My program can run functions that I define. My functions have parameters in it. For example, in the get current time tool, the parameter is that I need to, I guess it doesn't have a parameter. It just gets the current time. But it could have had a parameter, right? It could have taken like name inside it, and it would have said, hi Adi, the current time is blah, blah, blah. So it's pretty dumb in the sense that it needs exactness, right? It cannot deal with vagueness or ambiguity. But that's where LLMs can do a lot of stuff. If I say hi or I say hey to an LLM, it gets what I'm saying either way, right? And can do something with that information. So how do I connect something that gets me and is kind of smart in a way and can speak language to something that's kind of dumb and needs like exact instructions? I need a bridge. And that bridge is what we gave as a schema, right? If I could go back into the open router world and see what happened between get current time being actually called and me asking the question, what would I see being outputted from the model? This is really important. What would I see coming out of the model? What comes out of the LLM is just language. It's just text. It's a string. I can like manipulate that string. It's just a string. This LLM is not doing anything. Like the LLM itself is not like picking up a hammer and like hitting something with a tool, right? It's just spitting out the words or the characters that spell out take up, hammer, and hit. That's what it's outputting. And then my dumb program, because I gave it a schema, knows how to take that and put that into parameters for a method call and does that. I did the function calling. My side of the world, not the LLM, had to call this tool. So it called the tool from the tools map, gave the content back to the LLM, said it is 5:31:43 p.m. and then the LLM spat out text again saying hi, warm greetings, it's precisely 5:31, whatever, right?